Today we'll make a chain from a PVC pipe. I used the rotary tool to cut 60 rings. I made a rotary tool attachment that lets me cut the links faster. Of course, you don't need this kind of attachment. You can cut it only with the rotary tool or use a saw or a pipe cutter. Then I did some sanding. You will want to wear a respirator and maybe an eye protection, depending what tools you use. I heated up the rings for around 10 seconds with a heat gun. Then I used an SD card reader to shape those rings. I made a cut in every second link so we could join them later. And then I joined them. I attached a blade to my soldering iron. Then I used it to close the links. If you don't have a soldering iron, you can heat up the blade on a candle. Well, that's it. Our PVC chain is ready. I'm happy how it turned out. The only question, what should I do with it?